You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words, as well as how to say more confusing vocabulary that too many mispronounce in English, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more. So how do you say it? Well, there are two different pronunciations in English. Legume, with a stress on the first syllable, legume, or legume, with a stress on the second syllable, and that's because it is a word of French origin. In French it is said as légume, and there's no particular stress on any particular syllable in French. That's why in English there's this confusion, legume or legume. Not sure whether it's a British American, I don't think it is. Let us know in the comments if you're American or British how you pronounce it. That'll help in the comments. Legume or legume. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Like this video to support. Thank you. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.